Hello everyone and welcome to the Wednesday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will talk about this pump and dump stock market. And if you wait until the end of the video, I have 2 penny stocks on watch for tomorrow. But first, if you want our free alerts, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. You can also sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms and no Telegram chat rooms. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. The title of this video is this pump and dump stock market. And I want to stress to you, if there's any takeaway that you ever get from listening to my annoying voice, is that the entire stock market is a pump and dump. And if you understand that your job as a trader, as an investor, is to go in every day and look at how you can extract money from that market. Whether it's going long, going short, it's your decision. Your job is to put food on your table, money in your bank account for your family, buy that new house, buy that second house, whatever. It's all about extracting as much money from the markets as you possibly can. If you, for instance, if you trade Webull, and let's say you're over the pattern day trader rule, you have over $25,000, let's say you have $30,000 in your account. You have up to $120,000 in buying power intraday. So you can go in up to $120,000 and just turn over and over again. So your job is to use that margin, or if you're trading, if you're an aggressive trader, and just look to pull money out of that account. And let me explain. So you have $30,000 in your account, and let's say you trade $100,000 that day. You never put up the money. The broker did, okay, because it's intraday. Now, if at the end of the day you're long or you're still holding positions, the broker's going to come to you. Either A, put up more cash for if you're long, or if you went short, did you put up the borrow? That you went and borrowed the stock and put it in your account, and that you can short against this. This is why there is so much volume on an intraday basis. You have both longs, shorts, and algorithms just extracting money from the markets. Like an algorithm, the way an algorithm works is it'll identify the most active stocks, and then it'll just go in and just extract pennies from that market. And pennies add up to a lot of money when you're trading vast quantities of stock. So that is what's happening. That's why everyone's saying, well, how could it trade so much? That is what's happening. And, you have to look at it completely as a pump and dump. There's stuff going on by the short sellers and also by the longs. You have the pumpers that wanted the stock to go up, and then you have the short sellers that wanted the stock to go down. And if you understand and use both to your advantage, you will make a lot of money. And that is all that matters if you are a trader. It's not about being right. It's not about being wrong. I can come out here and either try and prove I'm right, talk about a stock and say, you guys are wrong. What difference does it make? It really doesn't matter. If you look at it that, okay, the stock is going to go up, the stock is going to go down, I don't care. I'm just looking to ride the trend, ride the wave. So if it's going up, you want to ride that wave going up. You want to get out. If it's going back down, you can play the short. And I mean, the short sellers, I don't short. I don't like the risk, the setup. It's just, it's not something that I do. I'm looking to get in, play the pump, get out, move on to the next play. And right now, the one that everyone's talking about is HLBZ. There's just a lot of drama going on FinTwit about it. I'm not going to get into everything. But, today, look at the chart. So this is when the CEO started tweeting, and then he's joining the naked short war. So it opened at 26.5 cents, rallied over 3 days to 55 cents, and then started the dump. Today was down 29%, closed down 12 cents at 28.80. So basically, the stock is exactly where it started from the open when he started that we're going to do the naked short war. And then he comes out after hours today. Don't let short terrify you, naked short war, we will win. I mean, these are just extremely promotional tweets by the CEO, and a lot of people are falling in love with this. I'm not going to get into, who's right, who's wrong. Who cares? It really doesn't matter. There's stuff going on about a court case. Someone was saying that, where was it here, that he was a villain, that they did an ICO back in 2018. He was sued. HLBZ was sued, alleging fraud. They got this thrown out. Plaintiff purchase of HLBZ coin, a cryptocurrency that plaintiffs allege was created, marketed, issued, and controlled by HLBZ and Salvatore Palella, its CEO. Plaintiffs allege among promise that HLBZ coin would be the exclusive currency of a smart base. I'm not going to rehash this or whatever. I don't care. I really don't. It's not about proving who's right or wrong. All I know is that when I look at the charts, it tells me everything I need to know. So this is HLBZ. Look at this, drove all the way down here, where this price here, 45 cents, spiked to 260, right back down. And I know people are going to say, oh, it's naked shorts. That's intraday. Hedge funds, broker-dealers, they run very tight risk management departments. Extremely tight. If anyone, please leave a comment if you worked on Wall Street. Don't get into these conspiracy theories. Everything has to balance out as the broker-dealer. Because if it's not, then the broker-dealer is on the hook. Like when we got the GameStop squeeze, there was a hedge fund that was exposed. MULN Capital. They basically lost billions of dollars because they were forced in. They bought in. They took short positions. It went against them, and that's why you got the GameStop squeeze. HLBZ, if you look at the market cap, 22 million. It's just not big enough for a hedge fund to MULN Capital was running like I think 10 billion at one point. They're not going to focus on a stock, 22 million with HLBZ. These smaller hedge funds, same. There's just a lot of the naked short selling is really, as I said this in my other video about naked short selling, it's convertible note holders that have done a financing with the company, and they are selling their stock, which they will deliver at a later date. It's just a fact. You can argue with me all you want. It is a fact. And if you disagree with me, you can disagree with me. But you're stating your opinion. You're not stating a fact. So again, everyone is entitled to their own opinions. You're not entitled to your own facts. And like I said, I just want to stress the importance of, it's all, at the end of the day, it's all about making money. Case in point, GNS, this was down 9%. Roger, he's got a following right now. Same thing as AMC. Adam Aaron, he had a following. He got a lot of people in, and he bag-hold his shareholder base. And, if you Don't agree with me, you don't agree with me, but the facts are the facts, and AMC has been a terrible investment. But there are a couple plays that are getting ready to move. COSM. They put out news 2 days ago or yesterday that they're getting ready to do a purchase up to 3 million of its common stock, and this is not just a press release. The repurchase program will be funded using the company's working capital. As of the end of December, the company had cash equivalents, and marketable securities of approximately $21 million. The market cap on COSM is just $29 million. So, this company is in the position, they can finance this share buyback. It's about 10% of the current market cap, and this is very, very significant. So again, COSM, like the price action, green the past 4 days. This has been a favorite of the retail crowd. So COSM is certainly one to watch going forward. GVSI, OTC play. I know, I go to iHub and read, and it's just like everyone is just talking about Georgie. We're going to make a fortune on this one. I have a time, whenever I trade or make an investment, I have a time horizon. And, these are just trades, particularly OTC. If it's taking too long, it's taking too long, and people are going to lose interest. The pumpers are trying to keep it going. But GVSI, a lot of, the Canadians, a lot of the people that were able to buy when it was caveat emptor, they're selling. They're just getting tired of waiting. The price action is the price action. This is when Georgie announced that he was canceling shares. It was opened at 48 cents. We're at 0.0264. Again, if you like being a bag holder, ask the folks at Humble, Forwardly, how have they done? OTCs are not long-term plays. OTC is all about the pump and dump. So, they were able to, when it got pink limited, the Canadians, the retailer traders, they were able to pump this up from one point, just above a penny to 4 cents, and then they dumped on you. So again, I know next thing you know, George's going to say there's naked short sellers. No one's naked short selling a 2-cent OTC stock. That is just not saying Georgie is saying that, but this is an example of what's happening, what these CEOs are doing. They're finding boogeyman. The naked short seller is the new boogeyman. Again, it doesn't matter. Just trade these things, get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play. MULN, MULN, nice price action today. This one here is this is a pump and dump. So again, just keep trading that. It gets down to around 20 cents. They pump it down to around 60 cents. Look at this 20 cents. Every time it gets down around here, it gets pumped again. Just play it and move on to the next play. Speaking of pump and dumps, ENSC, this was a pump and dump today. They were all over this on Twitter. Look at this price action. Right here, 85 cents. They pumped it all the way to $1.50. We're back to the beginning. Pump and dump. If you can't realize this, I feel for you. You got pumped and dumped. Stop with the, don't be a bag holder. If it's not working out, get out, move on to the next play. Okay, guys, I cannot stress that enough to you. 2 plays on action for tomorrow. UTRS, this one here, I like this tweet. Lucas Marin Trader, UTRS, another pump and dump. Nice. So that's what it again, if you are, this is just a trade. It looks like there's going to be some action in the pre-market, getting pumped up here from 22 cents up to 58 cents, pulled back down to 37 cents. They're getting ready to pump it overnight. So again, UTRS is the next pump and dump that they're focusing on. AREB, nice price action here, getting going here. A lot of people are talking about this one right now. This one has just a $3.8 million market cap, low float, has a potential to really squeeze. It looks like we got resistance here at 60 cents. AREB is on watch for tomorrow. But I'll be doing a lot of pre-market scans, looking for catalyst plays for our subscribers. Again, it's completely free, guys. Make sure you click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Again, guys, it is a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. Finally, Insider Financial, myself, are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Thanks for watching. Also remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys, tomorrow. Bye-bye.